Hello everyone, today I shall discuss exercise 13.3 question number 2. Find the number from each of the following expanded forms. That is question number A. Let's write question number A is 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. This can be written as, that is 8 into 8 into 140 1 2 3 4 plus 6 into 10 to the 3 means 1000 0 0 0 plus 0 into 100 plus 4 plus 4 into 10 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 10 plus 0 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0, that means 5 into 1, right? That is equal to 8, how many zeros? 4 0 1 2 3 4 plus 6006 0 0 0 plus 0 plus 4 10 is 40 plus 5, right? Therefore, if we add the numbers, we will get 8 6 0 4 5 and put the commas after 3 digit. There is 86,045. This is the answer of question number A. Now we'll solve question number B. Now we'll solve question number B. Question number B here you see is, question number B is 4 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. It can be written as 4 10 to the power 5 means 1 5 0 1 2 3 4 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 means 1 3 0 1 2 3 plus 3 into 1 0 0 plus 2 10 to the 0 means 1 2 into 1, that we are getting 4, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 plus 5000 1 2 3 plus 300 plus 2, right? If we add the numbers, you will get, if we add all the numbers, you will get, it is unit place is 2, tens place here is 0, tens place is 0, 100 place is 3, 1000 place is 5, 1000 place is 5, and 10,000 place is 0, and it is 4. And we put the commas after 3 digits and after 2 digits. That is 4 0 5 3 0 2. This is the answer of question number B. The answer of question number B. Now we solve question number C. Question number C is Here you solve question number C, that will be equal to 3 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. It is you are equal to getting 3 into 1401 2 3 4 plus 7 into 1 0 0 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0 means 1, right? And you are getting 3 401 2 3 3 4 plus 700 plus 700 plus 5, right? Here you see the unit place is 5. The unit place is 5. In tens place it is 0. 100 place it is 7. 100 place it is 7. In 1000 place, when you 10 100,000 place it is 0. In 10,000 place it is 3. In 10,000 place it is 3, right? When you put the commas here, there is 30,705. This is the answer of question number C. We solve question number D. Question number D is this one. Question number D. There is 9 into 10 to the power 5 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 is equal to 9 into 150 1 2 3 4 5 plus 2 into 1 0 0 plus 3 10 to the power 1 means 30. 3 into 10. That is, you are getting the value 9. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 plus 200 plus 200 plus 30, right? If you add the numbers you will get unit place is 0, tens place is 3, 100 place is 2, ones 10 100,000 place is 0, 10,000 place is 0, and the next is 9. Put the commas here, right? So 9 0 0 2 3 0. This is the answer of question number D. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.